Okay, it's time to take a break. Get out of your chair, stand up. You don't need a yoga mat, but you just need a little space for the arms and a little space to fold. So we're going to start by taking the arms out wide, and you're going to wrap your right arm under your left for eagle arms. So you might bring the backs of the hands together. You might be able to get those palms together. And you're going to lift the elbows, move the hands away from your face, and squeeze the arms in towards one another. And then it's really subtle, but you're going to let the arms shift slightly to the left. Just like they're side bending a little bit. And then you're going to drop your right ear to your right shoulder. How's your jaw? Good. And then bring the head through center, release the arms, interlace the hands behind the back. Go ahead and lift the chest. And then with soft knees, folding over your legs. Let those arms move overhead, but keep the shoulders lifting away from the ears. And then come back up. Keep that interlace. You're going to swing the hands over to the right side of your waist. Actually, make that the left. Over to the left side of your waist. Drop the chin. Roll that right ear to the right shoulder again. Use the hands to kind of scrub down the side of the waist. Let that back kidney band lean into the right forearm. And then release the arms, head to center, give the arms a good shake, and then we'll do the second side. You'll open them out wide. This time, left arm's on the bottom. Find the bind that works for you. Remember, lift the elbows, move the hands and forearms away from you, and then squeeze the forearms together. And it's not a big movement, but you're going to take the arms just a little bit to the right. We're just tilting to the right. And then left ear to left shoulder. And then back to center. Release the arms. You'll interlace behind the back again, but go the awkward way. So slide each finger down one, and then lift the chest with soft knees folding forward. Remember, those arms go overhead, but the shoulders are lifting. You can bend the knees as much as you like. Drop the head, heavy brain, maybe give it a little shake. And then up to standing, keeping that interlace. And you'll swing the hands now to that right side. Drop the chin, left ear to left shoulder. And you're squeezing that right elbow back behind you, letting the back of the waist fill into the left forearm. Soften between the eyebrows. Let out a deep sigh. And then release the arms. Lift the head, give everything a shake. And head back into your day, as always.